Your caller does not hear you on the phone, and you may be wondering what's going on. There's a question mark in your phone, and you are probably thinking, what's wrong with my phone? Welcome to my channel. As you are familiar with my voice, you get this problem of the caller is not reaching you, or you're not reaching the person calling you, and both of you are like, what can I do with this problem? You're thinking like, is something wrong with my speaker, or is it damaged, or what can I do to repair my phone? Now don't worry about it, it's not a big deal. You just need to clean the microphone hole of the phone, clean it up with a paper clip or something safe that can fit through. Clean the speakers with the duster or the cloth. Clean every part of the speakers so there are no dust left in the phone, and then your phone is ready to go. You can hear each other very well. Please like